Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing an unboxing with you guys. I am super excited. I don't have time for the intro. Let's just get into the video. So I just got this package and I haven't opened it. I just took it out of the shipping box. So this is by the brand Fashionphile. So this is how the item comes packaged. So this is an item that I came across on Instagram and I absolutely loved what it stood for. So I went ahead and I just add to cart, checked out. Like, that's how it went down. But let's just unpackage this and I'm going to tell you more as we go. First, on top are these cards. One of them says, choose yourself. Hashtag my ring is my reminder. So just a quick background. So this ring is supposed to be like you would wear an engagement ring on your ring finger to symbolize your commitment and love for someone else. This is a different type of ring that you wear on your pinky finger, and it symbolizes your love and your commitment to yourself. And I thought that was so special. The company that's encouraging self-love. Here we go. Guys, that says it. It says engagement ring, commitment to another. Self-love, pinky ring, commitment to self. Congratulations on choosing yourself. And this is a quote from Melody. It says, when everything feels like simply too much, remember there are parts of you that were designed to handle precisely these moments. Wow. Here is a message to me, personal message to me, that says, you are loved and you are worthy. Oh my goodness, this is like getting emotional. It says, welcome, you belong here. Thank you for choosing the self-love pinky ring as a symbol and reminder of your commitment to yourself. Once you sign the pledge card, share it on social media by tagging at Fashionphile and using the hashtag my ring is my reminder so I can introduce you to our global community and self-loving women. Make sure you follow for daily self-love and self-care resources, stories, and inspiration. Always remember, you give the ring its power. The magic you'll soon be experiencing is entirely your own. I can't wait to witness and celebrate with you. With love, Melody. So this is the promise and pledge I have to sign and share on Instagram, and it says, I pinky promise to myself to love myself, to choose myself on a daily basis. Oh, how touching and beautiful is this? So let's get into the ring. So the ring comes in this almost like shadow box case. So you open it and the ring's there. How cool is that packaging, guys? And the ring's in there. Look at this ring, guys. How stunning is it? So let's put on my self-love ring. Oh my goodness. Tell me that's not stunning. My goodness, guys. Why do I feel like I'm gonna get emotional? I love it. I cannot cry on camera. Melody. This is beautiful. It's such a beautiful, inspirational, loving message and very touching. I absolutely love this ring, and more importantly, I love what the ring represents, which is my reminder, my daily reminder to take care of myself, to love myself, especially during this time. This is such a beautiful message of love for everyone, but I think us women of color need a little extra love right now with everything that's going on in the world. So this could not have come at a more perfect time. Wow. I am so happy to have this now as my reminder. I think it's so stunning. I have to like take pictures and share it with you guys on Instagram. Sorry. This is not usually my vibe, but I did not anticipate feeling emotional about this unboxing, guys. I was just super excited, like it was another piece of jewelry, but I think what it means, you know, it really struck me. And it wasn't until I put it on that I really, you know, got emotional, because it is a commitment, right, to self-love. And I think self-love is very important. Definitely check out Fred and Far on IG, on Instagram. I will put everything below. I think it's such a beautiful message, and I think it's such a unique piece of jewelry. You know, we purchase jewelry all the time, but sometimes the jewelry we purchase for ourselves, we don't maybe hold that high significance on that piece of jewelry. Yes, you might buy something, like when I bought my Cartier ring, it was like a milestone purchase, so of course I was excited about it. But this is a ring that symbolizes a little more, right? Oh my goodness, guys. It's stunning. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. That was kind of my unboxing of my self-love pinky ring by Fred and Far. I definitely recommend you checking them out. I think it's such a beautiful message. But thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely hit the subscribe button and join my online community. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, and travel. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you turn on post notifications so you'll never miss an upload from me. If you have any questions or comments, as always, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.